In this video, I will show you guys how can you get HBO Max on your Samsung Smart TV. So first up, you will need to make sure that your Samsung Smart TV is connected to the internet, and after that you will need to grab your remote control and click on the source. Right now I will press down arrow from here, as you can see, and right now you will need to double click on the right arrow. 1, 2, click on it, and right now you will need to go to the search bar from here. Alright, so right now you will need to type in HBO Max. Alright, so there we go. I will click on it, as you can see, and right now I will click on install, and you will need to wait a little bit to install on into your Samsung Smart TV. And right now I will click on open, and as you can see, it's done, guys. Well, I hope that this video will help you, and we will see you in the next videos.